Welcome to our channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to use your phone as a second monitor in just a few easy steps. Whether you're working from home, gaming, or need extra screen space, this trick will boost your productivity instantly. We'll be covering the best apps and methods, so stay tuned till the end to get everything set up perfectly. Step 1. Install the app. First, let's introduce Spacedesk, which is a free app that uses Wi-Fi, and Duet Display, which is a paid app that connects via USB. I'll show you how to download and install these apps both on your PC or Mac and your phone. Let's go through the installation process together, and I'll explain each step as we go. Step 2. Connect your phone. Now, I'll demonstrate how to connect your phone via Wi-Fi using Spacedesk or via USB using Duet Display. Watch as I show real-time footage of the phone turning into a second display. Remember, for the wireless method, it's crucial that both devices are on the same Wi-Fi network. Step 3. Configure display settings. To get started, go into your computer's display settings. Here, you can set up your phone as either an extended or mirrored display. A quick tip: adjust the resolution or scale for better viewing. And hey, if you're using a touchscreen, you can interact directly from your phone. How cool is that? Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment for more tech tutorials. And check out other related videos on our channel. See you next time.